Hello, and welcome to this brand new vinyl installation series featuring this beautiful Track S2000. In this series, we're going to be wrapping it completely in gloss black using Avery vinyl and installing our brand new HKS Livery. I'll show on the screen right here. I am completely hyped for this livery. This is the first one I'm actually going to be printing, let alone installing in-house. Truth be told, I've actually never fully wrapped a customer vehicle before. I've wrapped mine completely times, in-house cars and whatnot, but for customer vehicles, I've always just kind of been a little weary about doing it. You know, if you mess up a customer car, that's completely different than doing your own car. But customer here, Bailey James, has entrusted his Track S2K to us, and I'm really confident this is going to come out absolutely amazing. Yeah, so we're going to be starting off installing gloss black Avery vinyl. So we're going to do a complete color change base on it, followed by installing the HKS livery. This is going to include the typical teal, violet, red pattern, as well as sponsor decals, racing numbers, and all that good stuff. And of course, I will post the link to this livery down below in the comments. This is something I've offered on the site, and as of late 2024 here, it just launched on the site. Such a great, iconic JDM livery. I think this is going to look really killer on this S2K. But yeah, along the way with this series, there's a couple different things I would like to feature, a couple of different videos I would like to do, such as some of the videos I've done for my ND Miata. I would like to do how to remove the side mirrors as well as door handles. And maybe along the way, I might be able to find different vinyl applications specific for the S2000. Yeah, there's a lot of things I definitely want to do along with this series. And I've got the car for about 2 weeks to do it. So definitely stay tuned. I hope you enjoy this series. I just got the car all cleaned up, detailed, and all that good stuff. Like I said, track car. It's seen a lot of abuse. It's got a lot of different cuts and scrapes and bangs all over the car, but that's okay. I got most of it all cleaned up, so it'll be all safe for vinyl installation. And the first steps I'm going to be doing are, well, installing the vinyl. I think I might go at it tonight and do the hood, maybe even front bumper. Now, the bumpers on any car to me are just the most daunting task. Like, coming from NA Miata is such a grueling task to try and install these graphics. So, I say every time, oh, I'm going to do that first and get out of the way, but we'll see. I think I'll start with the hood, which to me is, such a big piece, but it's definitely an easier application just to get the feel for this vinyl. I feel like every vinyl material is a little bit different, but yeah. So I'm giving it a ring, cut. Oh, time to check the smoker. Okay. So I just want to do a quick introductory post telling you about the series here. Hopefully stay tuned, pique your interest a little bit, and watch the transformation of this sweet S2000. Like I said, I'm so freaking hyped. Let's do this thing.